Is he eating something? That's usually what happens. What? No? Counterfeit? No way. Let's try that one more time. Perfect. Hold it straight out to your side. I think he was looking for treats. Garfunkel, honey. Usually I pick the volunteers. He's way over here. What are you looking for? There's nothing out here for you to eat today. Let you guys in on a little secret. Yesterday he got all sorts of goldfish crackers right in the front row. All right, there we go. Now we see that money. We're going to grab it. Good job. Good boy. There you go. Where does it go? Right back to me and in my pocket. Right?
Got my 10 back.
Told you he was a smart bird. Thank you very much. And he swished it for a $1 bill. Thank you. That's great. Appreciate it. All right, who wants to try it on this side with a 20? Who has it?
I don't have a 20.
Garfunkel is so smart, he's going to bring your money back to you. Stand up for me again. Our mouth, palm facing the sky. He's going to place your dollar bill and one of these very cool wristbands from the World Parrot Trust right back in the palm of your hand for being such a great volunteer. All right, Garfunkel. Yep, no more treats over there, you little scavenger. You got it. All right, do you remember where this money goes? Sure you do. Right back to our volunteers' palm. Grab onto your money. There you go. Good job. Thank you very much. Wonderful volunteer, Garfunkel.